Good morning, students. I am Rimi Tomar and I am here for class 1. I am going to teach you EBS. Let's come on to our topic. Our topic, what's on my plate? What's on my plate means what I am eating. My plate should be the model of healthy eating. That means variety of healthy foods. Yes. We all need food to grow. It gives us energy to work and play. It gives us energy to work and play. Food makes us healthy and strong. Yes, children, food makes us healthy and strong. A plate should be consist of food which help us to grow. Yes, food which gives us energy, food which keeps us healthy, food which help us to grow. Yes, means we need to eat many different type of food to be healthy. Yes, we use our body for number of activities and moments. Yes, we work and play. So our body needs energy and strength. Yes, our body needs energy and strength. And we get energy and strength from the food we eat. We get energy and strength from the food we eat. Yes. As you know, food makes us strong. Yes, food makes us strong. Our food consists of variety of things. So many varieties such as cereals, pulses, vegetables, fruits, fish, meat, milk and eggs. Yes, student, our food consists of variety of things. Yes, you can see here all the variety of foods. Yes, you can see in this picture also. 1. Cereals. These crops are grown in greater quantities. You can see here wheat is used to make chapatis. Yes, wheat is used to make chapatis. Rice. Rice is cooked and eaten with dal or vegetable, or we can even enjoy the fried rice. Yes. Next is the pulses. Yes, which form an important part of our diet. They can be eaten in various forms like peas, green gram, matki, masoor, chauli, bal. Yes, peas, green gram, matki, masoor, chauli, bal are some of the pulses. Yes, some of the pulses that we eat. Pulses are special because they have health benefits. Pulses are very special because they have health benefits. Children, do you think that cereals and pulses alone are enough for our diet? No. We also need green vegetables. Yes, we also need vegetables. Vegetables supply vitamins to our body. Yes. So, let's learn some vegetables. Brinjal. Yes. Cabbage, pumpkin, bitter gourd and lady's finger and cauliflower. Yes, these are some of vegetables that can be cooked and eaten. Yes, some of the vegetables that can be cooked and eaten. There are some more vegetables like potatoes, yam, sweet potatoes, yes, and onions are some of the roots that can be cooked or eaten? Yes. Yes, these are the vegetables that can be cooked and eaten. Yes, let's come and learn some more vegetables. Let's do. Yes, spinach, fenugreek, chawli, kadai. Yes, are some of the leafy vegetables that can be cooked and eaten. Oh, we missed out the salad which can be eaten raw. Salad, a mixture of vegetable. Salad, a mixture of vegetables usually not cooked that can be eaten together with a food. Let's see some salad like carrots, tomatoes, cucumber, radish, beetroot and onions are chopped finely to make salads which can be eaten raw. Yes, students. Children, let's do one thing. Let's enjoy one video and see lots of vegetables together. Let's enjoy.
Veggie gardens, here we come, doo-dah, doo-dah. Veggie gardens, sing this song, oh-de-doo-dah day. Tomatoes are so red and sweet, doo-dah, doo-dah. On a vine they grow so neat, oh-de-doo-dah day. Potatoes grow beneath the ground, doo-dah, doo-dah. So dig them up before they're found, oh-de-doo-dah day. We love veggies too, we love them, yes we do. Veggie gardens, here we come, oh-de-doo-dah day. Cucumbers are crunchy and cool, doo-dah, doo-dah. They're perfect when you're by the pool, oh-de-doo-dah day. Celery is the perfect snack, doo-dah, doo-dah. It's best with peanut butter, that's a fact, oh-de-doo-dah day. We love veggies too, we love them, yes we do. Veggie gardens, here we come, oh-de-doo-dah day. The orange carrot is a root, doo-dah, doo-dah. The baby ones look super cute, oh-de-doo-dah day. Peas are found within the pod, doo-dah, doo-dah. So pop them out, it won't be odd, oh-de-doo-dah day. We love veggies too, we love them, yes we do. Veggie gardens, here we come, oh-de-doo-dah day. Broccoli looks like a tree, doo-dah, doo-dah. To grow real tall, it is the key, oh-de-doo-dah day. Corn grows on a stalk so high, doo-dah, doo-dah. When dried and heated, it pops to the sky, oh-de-doo-dah day. We love veggies too, we love them, yes we do. Veggie gardens, here we come, oh-de-doo-dah day. Veggie gardens, here we come, doo-dah, doo-dah. Veggie gardens, sing this song, oh-de-doo-dah day. We love veggies too, we love them, yes we do. Veggie gardens, here we come, oh-de-doo-dah day.
Wow, so many vegetables are there in this video. Yes, children, remember this. Carrots, tomatoes, cucumber, radish, beetroot and onion are chopped finely to make salad which can be eaten raw. Yes, you can eat it raw. You don't need to cook it. Yes, student. Next is oil and ghee. Children, oil and ghee are important. Both have their own health benefits but should be used in less quantity. Oil is made from mustard, yes, sesame, yes, and groundnuts, sunflower and coconut. Oil is made from mustard, sesame, groundnuts, sunflower and coconut. Yes, similarly, ghee is made from milk product and vegetable products. Yes, similarly, ghee is made from milk products and vegetable products. Next is fruit. Fruit are the part of a plant or tree that contains seeds and that we eat. Yes, like bananas, apples, mangoes, chickus, papayas, oranges, grapes, sweet limes, pomegranates, figs and watermelons. Fruits that are loved by the young and old. That means fruits are loved by everyone. Yes, next is milk. Milk is a white liquid. Milk helps us to grow and milk provides us strength. Yes, it is also a rich source of calcium which is good for our bones and teeth. Yes, students, milk is the most nourishing food. We get milk from cows, buffaloes and sea goats. Yes, we get milk from animals. Yes, students, now I am going to show you one video on milk. Let's watch and enjoy.
I have a dairy cow. It's not just any cow. She gives me condensed milk for the whole week. Cling, clang, cling, clang. Cling, clang, cling, clang. I have a dairy cow. It's not just any cow. She grazes in the meadow and lies in the shadow. Cling, clang, cling, clang. Cling, clang, cling, clang. Dairy cow, it's not just any cow. She gives me condensed milk, what a funny drink. Cling, clang, cling, clang. Cling, clang, cling, clang. I have a dairy cow. It's not just any cow. She makes me cherry pies. I can't believe my eyes. Cling, clang, cling, clang. Cling, clang, cling, clang.
Very interesting video. Yes, students, you know milk is the most nourishing food. Yes, now you know this. And we get milk from animals. Yes, you know this also. Students, children and sick pupils should have milk every day. Yes, we get cream, butter, curd, paneer and cheese from milk. Yes, and now let's revise one more time. Milk is the most nourishing food. Milk is the most nourishing food. Yes, and we get from milk cream, butter, curd, paneer and cheese. Yes. We all know Our food consists of variety of things, so we should take proper care of our diet. Yes, that means we should eat healthy food. Yes, let's watch one video on healthy food. Let's watch it.
Food, delicious food, pizza, chips and chocolates, ice cream cones and creamy cakes, they make delicious treats. What are the best things to eat? Healthy food makes you fit, healthy food makes you fine, healthy food helps you grow, and gives you a healthy smile. Delicious fruits, apples, pears, and oranges, bananas, grapes, and peaches, they sure are healthy treats. And are the best things to eat. Fruits will always make you fit. Fruits will always help you grow. Fruits will always make you fine and give you healthy skin and eyes. Vegetables, healthy vegetables, broccoli and cucumbers, spinach, tomatoes and beans, they make wholesome meals. And are the best things to eat. Vegetables keep diseases at bay, vegetables will keep you safe, vegetables will help you grow, and take care of your teeth and bones.
Now you enjoy the video, yes, and learn about the healthy food also. So we all know our food consists of variety of things, so we should take care of our diet. Yes student, we should take care of our diet. The most important question about diet are: what makes a proper diet, and what should be eaten, and when should be eaten? Yes, growing children should eat 4 meals a day. Here I am going to tell you, growing children should eat 4 meals a day. Breakfast in the morning, lunch in the afternoon, snacks in the evening, and dinner at night. For breakfast, they should have chapatis, paratha, bread butter, poha, upma, etc. Yes, for breakfast, they should have chapatis, parathas, bread butter, poha, upma, etc. You can see the images here. Yes, you can see the images here. Yes, it looks very yummy. And after the breakfast, they should drink milk. Yes. For lunch and dinner, they should have a variety of food items like cereals, pulses, vegetables, and salads. It should be a balanced diet. After meals, they should eat fruit. Yes, you can eat fruit. For evening snacks, They can have roasted grams, sweets, chocolates, biscuits, wafers, homemade badas, or samosas. Yes, you can eat all these things in your evening time. Yes, roasted gram, sweets, chocolates, biscuits, wafers, badas, or samosas. And we should always follow some good food habit for healthy things. Let's learn some good food habits. Eat at fixed hours means you have to do breakfast, lunch, evening snacks and your dinner. Yes children, you should eat at fixed hours. Wash your hand before and after meal. Chew your food well. Don't rush eating. Don't talk while eating. Eat slowly. Yes, children. Eat slowly. Don't waste food. Children, if you have some extra food, then please help them who don't have food, but don't waste it. Take only as much you want. Don't waste food. And wash fruits and vegetable before eating. Always eat fresh foods. Drink 8 to 10 glasses of water every single day. Avoid the junk food. Junk food is not good for our health. Is chocolate bad for your teeth? Yes, chocolate is bad for your teeth. Yes, it's bad for your teeth. Too many sweets and chocolates are bad for your teeth. Now, come to our next topic, which is vegetarian and non-vegetarian. Yes, who eat food that we get from plants are called vegetarian, and who eat food that we get from animals, we call them non-vegetarians. Like vegetarian eat food that we get from plants like fruits, vegetables, etc. And non-vegetarian eat food that we get from animals like eggs, meat, fish, etc. Yes. Now remember all these points. Remember these points now. Chew your food well. Wash your hand well before and after eating. Do not talk with food in your mouth. Fix hours means eat at fixed hours. Breakfast in the morning, lunch in the afternoon, snacks in the evening and dinner at night. And do not waste food. Wash fruit and vegetable before eating or cooking. Do not eat too much of sweets like chocolates, biscuits and ice cream. Eat with a peaceful mind. Yes, children, now I am going to tell you one poem. What you have to do? Firstly, listen the poem, then learn it. Let's do it. Poem on food. Oodles of noodles, rice with spice, rice with spice. When I am hungry, food is nice. Carrot, apple, cherries. Lots of food for you and me. Lots of food for you and me. Bake it, fry it, fry it. You can eat it from the cup. Hot food, cold food, hot food, cold food. Yum, yum, yum. Fills me up in my tummy, tum, tum. fills me in my tummy tum tum. Food is good for you and me. Yes, now you will learn this poem? Yes, children, now I hope you understood about the food. Thank you very much.